Hello everybody inside the CREO Parametric. In this small tutorial, I will show you how can you model the cap nut inside the CREO Parametric. So this is really helpful tutorial for the beginners, and we will see how can you model this. Remember one thing, what I did nothing, just I added this head, you can see here, by using the revolve command. So what to do, I will provide you a link in the description of the hex bolt, so you can watch that video and you will see. So in this video I will not go to model the hex bolt, but I will just add this cap. So let me delete this for now. Okay, now see, this is like a hex bolt right now. So let me switch on the data planes and I will select this plane, switch on it, make it now. Again, switch off the data planes. Do one thing, let's change the orientation from here and left, sketch. See, now I will do one thing, I will draw a line like this from here till here, and again I will draw a line like this from here to here, and again I will draw a 3-point arc which is from here till here, like this. And I will come to smart dimension, keep this 175, and I will check the okay. See, again I will come to model and I will come to the revolution. I will check this axis, and you will see here how I created the cap of the bolt. So this was really a simple tutorial for you, but remember one thing, I will provide a link in the description for making the hex bolt, the hex nut, and after that how to add the cap I have shown you in this video. So hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial, and let me assign some color like this one for now. See, and if you want to come for the section view, select any of the axis and you can see here, see how the threads is created inside. So hopefully you understand. Remember one thing, if you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching.